Prashant here. Today I'm going to come up with a new episode. It's about a topic. Excuse me. Where was I? Oh yes. So today I'm going to talk about a topic. Just what I did. That is coughing. So let us find the answer to this all important question. Why do we cough? So let's start. Zoom in. Cough is something we do now and then. It's one of the most common symptoms of a childhood illness caused due to viruses. Often comes on of the retreating cold or viral flu. Other factors that could trigger coughing is smoke, dust, and allergies. Also, cough can be annoying at times, but it isn't generally harmful and is a very helpful process. Yes, my friends, cough helps to get rid of germy mucus or foreign particles such as dust, microbes, allergens, and bacteria. But like forcing air out of the mouth. But the vital question is, what is happening inside our bodies while we cough? So let's figure out. You see, when someone inhales a foreign particle that enters the trachea or the windpipe, it interrupts our breathing. In that case, our brain gets alert and activates the cough reflex. And the vocal cords open up wider than usual and increase the volume of air being drawn into the lungs. Then the epiglottis closes over the windpipe, effectively shutting off the flow of air. Then the rib muscles and the abdominal muscles contract. Increased high pressure in the lungs, but the epiglottis is closed and the air can't move out, resulting high pressure, and finally the epiglottis opens and causing the air to burst out in a tremendous force along with a foreign particle in a fraction of a second. Then the breathing is back to normal. The irritants have expelled. The coughing reflex will stop. Here we go, friends. If you find yourself on a coughing spree, instead of getting mad about your cough, just thank your cough reflex for keeping you safe and keeping you healthy. Remember, my friends, if you can't figure out this problem yourself, or your cough isn't getting better and better all day, do talk to your parents or guardians about it and do visit your doctor ASAP. Trivia time! Do you know a cough can travel as fast as 50 miles per hour and expel almost 3,000 droplets of saliva in just one go? Now that's some speed. So, what is the sound of a cough made? A sound of a cough is caused by the fast moving air rushing past the vocal cords. So today's episode ended. Hope you had fun and subscribe for more awesome videos. For now, bye. And please leave a like on this video to be a part of my member and subscribe for more awesome videos. Don't forget to hit the bell. Ding ding, bye. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to share it with your friends. So tune in next time